2 years after the COVID-19 outbreak suspended international travel, the Union government has decided to restore all foreign tourist visas categories and issue new visas immediately. Following the COVID-19 pandemic, the government has decided to resume regular international flight operations from March 27. The Ministry of Home Affairs stated in a Tuesday order that it has considered further easing visa and travel restrictions given the improvement of the COVID-19 situation in India. With immediate effect, 156 countries' people will be granted 5-year e-tourist visas, the ministry stated. The 156 countries will also get new 5-year e-tourist permits. All of these visas were suspended in March 2020 due to the COVID-19 outbreak. India began easing visa and travel restrictions for international and Indian nationals in October 2020, although tourist visas remained suspended.